Most people who open InvestEngine accounts make one silent mistake in the first 2 minutes, and they don't realize until years later. I'm going to show you how to set it up the right way from the very first click. In this lesson, I'm walking you step by step through InvestEngine, from opening your account to making your first investments to setting up automated investing so you never have to think about it again, unless you want to, of course. By the end of this video, you will have made your first real ETF investments on InvestEngine, even if you've never done this before. And stay until step 6, because I'm going to show you one feature that makes long-term investing effortless. Let's get started. Go to the InvestEngine website, or you can download the app. Click Get Started. You'll need to fill in your basic details: full name, email address, home address, national insurance number, identification verification. You can either use your passport or driving license. This is completely standard for any FCA regulated broker. If your platform skips this step, that's actually a red flag. Once you're registered, InvestEngine will ask you how you would like to invest. Either do it yourself, which is DIY, you choose your own ETFs, or life plan, which is also managed, where InvestEngine's experts manage it for you. For this course, we're using DIY option because you're here to learn how to build your own portfolio. Next, we're going to move on to choosing your account type. This is the step where many beginners quietly make the wrong choice, and it costs them money over time. InvestEngine offers 3 individual account types plus a separate business account for company owners. The first one is the ISA, Stocks and Shares ISA, which is for tax-free growth, no capital gains tax, no dividend tax, no tax reporting, up to 20,000 per tax year. Next account is the pension account, which is the SIP, self-invested personal pension, for tax-efficient retirement savings. Contributions receive tax relief, and your money grows tax-free until you retire. They also have the general accounts, GIA, which is for flexible investing with no annual limit, but gains above your personal allowance are taxable. Start with the Stocks and Shares ISA. It's the most tax-efficient home for your ETF investments. You can invest up to £20,000 per tax year, completely tax-free. Minimum required to open an InvestEngine is £100. For these, there is no capital gains tax, no dividend tax, no annual reporting. Your investments grow efficiently and you keep more of what you earn. This small decision at sign up today will make a massive difference over decades. If you already have an old workplace pension, a SIP can be a powerful way to consolidate and invest in efficiently, potentially at much lower fees than your old provider charges. Let's have a quick pause here. If this is making sense so far and you're finding it helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. And if you'd like to understand how SIPs work and whether consolidating an old pension could benefit you, I have a dedicated video on this. The link is in the description below. Now that this is out of the way, let's move on to funding your accounts. Click Add Money. You can deposit via bank transfer, direct debit for recurring deposits. Bear this in mind, you need a minimum of £100 to open and fund your first portfolio. After that, each individual ETF purchases can be as little as £1 thanks to fractional investing. Once funds appear in your account, you're ready. You are now ready to find your ETF. I know this can be daunting initially with hundreds of options, unfamiliar tickers, You don't know where to start, but don't worry, I'll break it down nicely for you. Click Add Investment or use the search bar and type a fund name or ticker. Here are the most popular ETFs available on InvestEngine. We have the VWRP, which is Vanguard FTSE All World Accumulating. The ongoing charge is 0.19%. This reinvests dividends automatically. We have the VWRL, Vanguard FTSE All World Distributed. Same ongoing charge of 0.19%. It pays dividend as cash. We also have the FWRG. This is Invesco FTSE All World Accumulating. The ongoing charge for this is 0.15%. This is a lower cost alternative to the VWRP. We have the VHVG, which is the Vanguard FTSE Developed World Accumulating, ongoing charge of 0.12%. There is also VUAG, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 Accumulating, ongoing charge is 0.07%. There is also SWDA. This is iShares Core MSCI World Accumulating, with ongoing charge of 0.20%. Click into any ETF to open its information page. You will see fund descriptions, fees, performance charts, top holdings, sectors, and country exposures. When reviewing an ETF, focus on what matters. Ongoing charge, which is the fee. This can also show as TER. The lower, the better. Geographic exposure. Does it match your strategy? Accumulating versus distributing. For ISA or pension investors, accumulating is usually more efficient because dividends auto reinvest inside your tax wrapper with no extra steps. Don't get distracted by short-term performance charts. You're not buying what went up last year. You're buying diversification for the next 20 years or so. And as always, none of this is financial advice. Make sure any funds you choose fits your goals and circumstances. If you've already watched my How to Choose Funds video, link is in the description. A lot of this will feel familiar. That's intentional. Well done. You are now ready to move on to buying your ETF. Once you've chosen your ETF, the process is straightforward. Click Add to Portfolio. Set your portfolio allocation percentage, for example, 100% for a single fund strategy. Click Review and Continue, then Save and Continue. Click Invest and enter your amount. Review and confirm. InvestEngine supports fractional investing. You don't need to buy whole shares. You can start with £1. You now officially own a piece of hundreds or thousands of companies across the globe. Think about that. That's what's celebrating. Now, the feature that changes everything is the savings plan and AutoInvest. Remember, I told you to stay until step 6? This is why. InvestEngine has 2 automation features that work together. Savings plan, which supports recurring deposits. A savings plan automatically transfers money from your bank into InvestEngine on a schedule you set, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. Go to your portfolio and click Savings Plan. Set your deposit amount and frequency. Minimum is £50 per month via direct debit. Choose weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. And AutoInvest takes any cash sitting in your account and immediately invests it according to your portfolio allocation. Enable AutoInvest within your portfolio settings. Set your target allocation percentage. They must add up to 100%. InvestEngine handles the rest automatically. Savings plan moves money in. AutoInvest deploys it into your ETF. Together, they create a fully automated, hands-off investing system. No emotions, no time in the market, no forgetting, just consistent, automated investing month after month. This is how long-term wealth is built quietly in the background. Inside your InvestEngine dashboard, you'll see your total portfolio value, each ETF's performance, your allocation breakdown, and your contribution history. It's clean, no noise, no clutter. This is exactly what long-term investors need. If you'd like to open your InvestEngine account, you can use my referral link in the description below. If you sign up through that link, we both receive a randomly selected investment bonus between £20 and £100 directly into your account. I'll always link to platforms I genuinely use and believe in, and InvestEngine is one of them. You just did something that most people talk about but never actually do. You opened an account, you choose the right account type, you found an ETF, you made your first investment, and you set up automation. That's not a beginner move. That's how serious investors operate. In the next lesson, we'll talk about portfolio management, how to review, rebalance, and stay consistent when markets move. Because the hardest part of investing isn't getting started, it's staying the course. Now, if you've watched this and you're thinking, I understand the steps, but I'm not sure which account or which fund is right for my situation, that's exactly what my free coaching sessions are for. I offer free one-to-one and group coaching calls where we walk through your specific circumstances, your goals, your timeline, your questions. No jargon, no pressure, just clarity. The link to book is in the description. I have 3 quick asks. Remember to hit the like button below if this helped you. It helps the algorithm show this to more beginners who need it. Subscribe if you haven't. I post every Thursday at 7 p.m. with new investing lessons. Click here to subscribe. Also, check the description for my full review on InvestEngine on the blog and the links to previous lessons on investing. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read and reply to every single one. See you next Thursday.